Hello, my dear children. Hope you all are keeping well. I, Gyansri Bisoi, welcome you all to Class 5 Mathematics of Large Numbers. Today, we have a very interesting topic, that is formation of greatest and smallest numbers from the given digits. Let's understand this. Make the smallest and greatest numbers using the digits 1, 8, 3, 0, 2, 7, 5. Don't repeat any digit, use all digits. Okay, that means we need to form greatest and smallest number using the given digits. How many digits that has given here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 digits. Okay, we need to use all these digits and we cannot repeat any digit. Means all the digits we have to use it only once. So how to form smallest digit, smallest number? So, while forming smallest number, write the digits in ascending order. Point 1. So, while forming smallest number, first point, we need to write the digits in ascending order. Point 2. Never put 0 at the beginning, as in a number 0 at the beginning is meaningless. How? Let's understand. Let's take 3 digits. 1, 2 and 0. So, what is point 1? Write the digits in ascending order. In ascending order means smallest to greatest. Which one is smallest digit among these 3? 0 is the smallest. Then someone may write 0, 1, 2. Okay. Then how will he read this number? 12 only. That means we are not considering 0 at all in this number. That means we are not using 0. So we cannot write, we can never write even 0 at the beginning of any number. That means we are not considering it at all. Okay. So if 0 is there, then how to write? Write it at the second place. Remember, the place of 0 is always second from extreme left. That means from extreme left. Then who will be at the extreme left? The digit which is next to 0. Next to 0, what is the digit? That is 1. Then 1, second place is 0's place always. The second place is 0's place while forming smallest number. Then 2. Now how will you read this number? 102. That means you are considering 0 over here. Okay. So this is the correct way of forming smallest number if 0 is there, one of the digit. Okay. Hope all of you understood why 0 we need to write at the second place. Okay. Let me erase this. Now we need to form smallest number, and here we have 0 also. Okay. So we know that point number 1, write all the digits in ascending order. Ascending means smallest to greatest. But 0's place will be at the second. Okay. From extreme left. So the smallest number is, we need to follow this rule. Ascending order. That means 0, 1, 2 ascending order, but 0 is place that is fixed, second place. Then first place will be 1's place. Then who will be at the third place? Next number is 2. 2 will be at the third place. Then after 2, next one is, that means we are writing in increasing order. So after 2 will come next 3. So 3 will be at fourth place from the left. Left to right we are writing. Okay. Fourth. The next one is after 3 in increasing order, which is the next one, 5. Then this is the fifth place. Okay, from extreme left. Next one is 7. This is 6th and this one is 7. Got it? Now we will form smallest number. So first place is 1's place, second 0, then 2, 3, 5, 7 and 8. And put the comma according to the periods which we have already studied. Now this is our smallest number. Now we will form greatest number. So how to form greatest number? Is there any rule? Yes. So for greatest number, write the digits in descending order. Descending means in decreasing order. Greatest to smallest. Right? Now look at the digits. Look at the digits. In these digits, which one is the greatest digit? The greatest digit is 8. 8 is the greatest one. We need to write from greatest to smallest. Next to 8, we need to write 7. Okay. So first digit will be R. From extreme left to right we are writing. First one will be 8. The next one will be 7. Next 5. Next 3. Okay. Next one is 3. Let me write it. Next is 2. That will be our fifth digit. Next is 1, sixth digit. Then next one is 0, the smallest one. Right? Now we will put the digits and we will form greatest number. And our greatest number is 87,53,210. I hope this is clear to you all. So point number 1, while forming smallest number, we need to write it in ascending order. Means increasing order from left to right. And if 0 is there, then 0's place will always be the second place from extreme left. Right? Look at here how we have written like this. 0's place will always be at the second. Done. Now, while writing greatest number, we need to write it in descending order. That means in decreasing order. Okay. From greatest to smallest. I hope smallest and greatest number by using digits, that is clear to you all. Let's take another example. Write the smallest and greatest 8-digit numbers by repeating the digits 1, 6, 2 and 0. Here we have given only 4 digits, but we need to form smallest and greatest number of 8 digits. Okay, 8 digits. That means we will have to repeat digits. How many digits? We have only 4. So we have to repeat one digit 4 times. Okay. So let's see. So while forming smallest number, we need to write the smallest number by repeating the smallest digit. So while writing the smallest number, we need to repeat the smallest digits. Okay. So here we have 4 digits, but we have to write the number which is of 8 digits. Okay. So which one is the smallest one? The smallest one is, this is the smallest one. So we need to repeat 0 how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 digit number is complete. But we have to write 8 digit numbers. Means 0. I need to repeat 0 how many times? 4 times. So that I can form 8 digit number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 digits. Okay. So I told you that the place of 0, that is always at the second place from the extreme left. So first one will be 1. First digit is 1. Then how many times 0? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then 2. Then 6. Understood? So while writing the smallest number, arrange the digits in ascending order, and if we need to repeat any digit in while writing the smallest number, we need to repeat the smallest digit. Okay. Then greatest number. So what is the rule for greatest number? So to write greatest number, repeat the greatest digit. So while writing greatest number, we need to repeat greatest digit. While writing smallest number, we need to repeat smallest digit. Clear? So which one is the greatest digit over here? 6. Right? So we need to repeat. We need to repeat 6. But how many times? How many times? 1, 2, 3, 4 digit number is here. But we need to form 8 digit numbers. Then 6 will be repeated 4 more times, so that it can form 8 digit number. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then 6. I'll write how many times? 5 times. Okay. We know that while writing greatest number, we need to write the digits in descending order. Okay. That means 6 will come first. 6. The digit 6 I need to write first. How many times? 5 times. Then which one is the next one? 2 is the next one. Then 1 is the next one. Then 0. Okay. Let's write 6 5 times. Then 2, 1, 0. And put comma according to periods. I hope this is clear to you all. Do practice. Thank you.